How to fix dasHost.exe UDP broadcast excessive traffic issue in Windows 11. Hello friends, there is a trick to fix dasHost.exe UDP broadcast flooding issue that can help you. Follow the steps. This is a registry edit, so click on search, type regedit, click on registry editor, expand H key current user by clicking on this arrow. Now expand software, expand Microsoft, scroll down and find print, expand print, select Unified Print Dialog. Go to the right pane and create a new DWORD value. Right click over here, select new, DWORD 32-bit value. Name this value PreferLegacyPrintDialog. Right click on this value, select modify, change the value data to 1 and click on OK. Close the registry editor and restart your computer. The root cause of this flooding is the new printing interface in certain applications like Google Chrome, Paint and other major systems that use it. This change will switch to the older printing interface. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.